Your reaction to tonight's results, you polled over 9,000 votes in the preliminary count, and so far it says 182 in terms of the margin. What's your reaction right now? How are you feeling?
Well, first of all the praise, all the initial praise belongs to God himself. Yes. It has proven to me that his words are true and that indeed his plans are to prosper me. Secondly, I have to thank the party leadership and my parliamentary colleagues for their support. I have to thank my campaign director, Rihanna Wright, for once again leading us to victory. I have to thank my thousands of party workers from the Royal Flat, Knockpatrick, Belfield and Mandeville divisions, and of course the 9,000 plus supporters who came out today and fought against an institution. I ran against 3 men, Donovan Mitchell, Linz and Skengdan himself, and I am victorious. I must also commend the middle class. They came out in their numbers, and I must thank the business community of Mandeville for investing heavily in my return.
All right. What was the strategy? It has been considered a march now, PMPC. So what did you do to hold it down for the second?
Well, one of the things my campaign director emphasized is that we wasn't going to get caught up in the hype. We were going to focus on the real work, getting into the communities, meeting people, getting the divisions organized, getting our workers list in shape, that sort of thing. So we weren't about the hype, and a lot of persons were wondering initially what's happening with our campaign, but we were quiet and put it in the necessary work. And I must tell Jamaica that I am especially proud because we didn't have to buy one single vote. I can show you messages of persons telling me today that they have 20 people in the yard, they have 5 people, and we told them straight, we're not buying any votes because I have worked hard, and if I can't be returned based on the work I've done, then I didn't deserve to be re-elected.
What's next?
Well, we get back to work on Thursday, continue the tuition distribution, continue the distribution of water tanks, building grants, more road repairs, just a lot more work, no rest. We will be doing celebration tonight after we move through Greyground Square. We're motorcading across the constituency. We're motorcading again tomorrow. We're motorcading on Friday. We're burying Donovan tomorrow. And it's important to add that I have been able to achieve this victory with no support of councillors, because you know we didn't get any councillors in the parish council election last year. So this victory, we're going to now be focusing on the candidates for the next local government election so that we can have good representation at the municipal level.